Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for May 1st. We are looking at the U.S.-Japanese yen pair first. This pair closed down on Friday, did break previous support, looking for it to move lower. We are, however, at an area of previous, let me zoom out so you can see this, of previous support sideways movement, so we'll likely see that again. There we go. I am looking for this pair to potentially go as high and hit some resistance at 82.25, possibly moving down and hitting support at 80.75. Now the Euro USD pair, this pair pulled back on Friday, didn't quite break the high, created an inside bar, closed down a little bit. Look for this pair, still looking for it to move to the upside overall. Could see a reversal coming, or at least a pullback, not really a reversal, but a pullback. Possibly going as high as 149.49, possibly as low as 147.21. Look for some resistance around 148.82, and look for some support around 147.66. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair created an inside bar as well on Friday, did close higher. We are looking for it to continue to the upside, possibly moving up and hitting some resistance around 167.50, possibly moving down and hitting support around 166.25. Now looking at the US Swiss, this pair broke through previous support, is moving lower. We are looking for it to potentially, on reversal, go as high as 0.8795, possibly as low as 0.8532. Look for some resistance around 0.8750 and look for some support around 0.8625. Now we don't have any significant news announcements going into this next session. However, I am looking as far as trades. If we do get a pullback in the US, the Euro USD, I am looking for it to come on down to this point right here. Basically looking for a break at the 147.68 mark, and then looking for it to move down to 146.57. This would be a move of roughly 113 pips, 110 pips, putting my stop loss right above the high here, basically a 1-to-1. If it moves down to that point, I will look at that point right here to go ahead and sell, and then look for it to come on down to here and then exit the trade. Now looking at one other, and that is the pound US dollar pair. That's if the euro moves down. If the pound moves up, these are positively correlated pairs, so we should get some kind of action at during this next session. This pair did create an inside bar, looking for it to move higher, basically right up to this point right there. Looking to break this high that was made on Thursday, looking to buy in at that point at 167.45, actually 46, so 1 pip above it, and looking for it to come up to 167.99 right before the 16800 mark, which we should see some support there. So looking to grab the move between those two. If it breaks out to the upside, it would just need to go about 54 pips. Total from today's open would only need to go about 95 or 98 pips, which is not very significant for the pound US dollar pair. It easily did that on Friday, over a little bit over 100 pips. So looking for it to move to the upside. Well, I hope those two trades help, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.